Light and movement.
Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today I had the privilege of having Holly Mackenna back in my studio. We had Jolie from Jolie's Makeup Artistry in doing this fabulous glam fashion look on Holly. Holly jumping in and doing her own eyelashes, and of course Jolie just doing all the finishing touches to make her look absolutely fabulous for our neon light shoot. So this is for an upcoming workshop essentially, but we wanted to just get Holly in the studio. We wanted to keep costume really simple, so just skinny jeans and a white top, so just street clothes, and we were playing with all these fabulous Neewer LED light sticks or light wands. They are just so much fun to be able to change the colors. You can pick them up, move them around. I really had no other lighting set up at this point. I just had Holly playing with these light wands and capturing some absolutely fabulous looks. We had her sitting on the floor. I also had her standing up and moving around. I forgot to move the behind the scenes camera, as I always seem to do, but we had lots and lots of light. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 6 different light sticks in here, and they were all on different colors, orange and greens and blues and pinks. We then set Holly up at a table and the stool, and I put white acrylic or perspex over the top of the table so we could capture some reflections in there. I was just showing Holly some of the inspiration shots that I wanted to capture, and we just simple 3 light setup here and just capturing with the green, the pink and various other colors and playing around with those. So this is just amazing to be able to capture some really creative, fabulous fashion style images with very little to work with. Absolutely love this type of shooting. I'm doing it more and more regularly. So here are just some images. So we had Holly holding the TL 60 and 90 across her shoulder. I love the way it still illuminates her face. We had it on the ground. These are very movable and they don't get overly hot, so the models can easily hold them, move them around, pose with them, whether you've got them on the floor, whether they're holding them on a table, doesn't matter what you're doing, they're absolutely fabulous. I love these ones where we had them just scattered on the floor. The backdrop was just a simple black seamless paper backdrop, nothing fancy. Like I said, no other lighting apart from these, and I just love the different effects that we were getting. So camera settings, roughly f2.8 on ISO 640, focal length of about 28 to 30 mil, and shooting on various different shutter speeds, about 200 to 1/1250th of a second. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on YouTube.
Light and movement. Light and movement.